Hi there, my name is Ron and welcome to the next BikeBrewers unboxing video. Recently we were supplied by our friends from PANDO Moto with a pair of motorcycle jeans, the ones that I'm wearing here. We decided to extend it a little bit, the test that we're doing with these pants, with a pair of lady rider pants. So very kindly they sent us another package which we're going to unwrap today. So getting the right tools, have to be careful there. So see where we can open this without making the jeans into shorts. So there we go. Let's see what they've sent us today. I'm curious, don't know about you, but let's see. Let's do this. Their service, by the way, is excellent. They, you know, when they send you something, it's delivered on time. Really nice people. Okay, what do we have here? This is a pair of Lorica Kev 1 ladies jeans in black. They come with a set of full protection set. At least I think it's for the hips this time. Let's see. Come in a nice little bag, linen bag. Yes, this is the hip protection. As you can see, like this. They go on the hips like this, or maybe I should say they go on the hips like this. Right, now the jeans. Obviously we'll take care of the packaging and you know, get rid of it in a proper way, making sure that we don't make problems for the environment. As you can see, it's a waxed styled pants, nice and tight, and they have some stretch in the back. Very nice. You know, all this sort of information with it. The inside is very nice as well. You can see the protection here. So this is what they look like on the inside. As you can see, the protection goes in here. This goes on the outside. And it fits snugly into the pants. They also have, obviously have knee protection, which we've received in a different package. I forgot to take this with me, I'm sorry. But it's to be recommended to have both the hip protection and the knee protection in the pants when you're wearing them. They feel really nice and sturdy. You know, nice waxed feel to it. What can I say? Excellent pair of pants, and we'll give it to our lady test rider. Watch this space and watch BikeBrewers.com for a full report on these jeans. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye.